Attention plus 2 students and parents. Neet classes starts on 25/5/2022. Admission open. Enroll now. Crash course at Salem and Namakkal. For admission, contact us. Cell 786-8999-794 94432-37648. Website www.thechatanyaainstitute.com. The Chaitanya Institute, the pioneer exclusive institute for NEET IIT JEE exams. NEET schedule 7 hours a day and 6 days a week. Our faculties team: Dr. M. Saktivel, MSc, B.Ed, PhD Biology; Mr. P. Rajesh Kannan, MSc, M.Ed, MPhil, Chemistry; Mr. M. Suresh Kumar, MSc, B.Ed, MPhil, Physics. Classes commence venue at Unique Academy, 16 Advaita Ashram Road, opposite to New Bus Stand, nearby Canara Bank, Salem 63604. Rainbow Matriculation School, NH7, Salem to Namakkal Main Road, Kannurpatti Road, Puduchathiram, Namakkal 637018. Classes at Salem venue Unique Academy. Classes at Namakkal venue Rainbow Matriculation School. The Chaitanya Institute, a unit of the Chaitanya Institute Educational Charitable Trust. Highlights: the Chaitanya Institute offers the most focused, progressive and funistic integrated coaching for all classes 12th. Crash course assured the best result in NEET JEE entrance exam, best study material and question banks, best remedial teaching and coaching, clear concepted teaching by subject experts, individual attention to each and every report, students development program, time management, study skill, team exam skills, career guidance, etc. Differential institutional statistics, separate hostels for boys and girls, after class hours study and doubt clearing sections under the guidance of subject experts, parental care. So our institute highlights. This is our institute highlights. Don't miss it. Join immediately. Foundation courses 6th, 7th, 8th standard students. Intermediate course 9th and 10th standard students. Crash course for 11th and 12th standard students. Regular and repeaters batches for +1 and +2 students. Weekends and weekdays classes for 1 year coaching students. Tamil and English medium classes available. Don't miss it. Join immediately and achieve your goal, Dr. MBBS. Once again, attention +2 students and parents. NEET classes starts on 25/5/2022. The classes commences at Salem and Namakkal. For admission, contact us. Cell number 786-8999-794 and 94432-37648. Venue at Salem Unique Academy, 16th Advaita Ashram Road, opposite New Bus Stand, nearby Canara Bank, Salem. Namakkal venue Rainbow Matriculation School, NH7, Salem to Namakkal Main Road, Kannurpatti Road, Puduchathiram, Namakkal. Thank you.